Hello, Coursera community. My name is Remy Pham, and I'm enrolled in the IMPMOOC course. I believe that's the correct acronym. I'm a student at UCSC, and I'm pretty excited to be taking this course. For my first peer review assignment, I'm going to be teaching you how to record an electronic device's output into your DAW. So I apologize if this video is particularly software and hardware specific, but as for specifics, I'm using a Casio Privia PX330 keyboard with USB MIDI functionality, and I will talk about the difference between USB MIDI and regular MIDI functionality in a little bit. I have a MacBook Pro, and my DAW is Ableton Live 9. So the first step is to have Ableton, or your DAW and your device closed and turned off respectively. The only reason I have it up now is to record my voice, but usually I would have it off before doing anything. So the second step is to plug in your electronic device, if necessary, into AC power, and then connect that device via MIDI, either via USB MIDI directly to a USB hub on your computer, or if it is a MIDI cable, you're going to have to go purchase a MIDI interface, plug your device into the interface, and then plug the interface into your computer. And as for specifics, you can refer to your hardware's manual to get specifically how to connect your device. But in my particular case, as I said, I have a USB MIDI keyboard, so I will be plugging it in directly. And having done that, you turn on the device and then plug it in, and having done that, you're going to open your DAW, and so now I'm going to get pretty specific with Ableton. So what we're looking at is the default template for Ableton, which is just an empty audio and MIDI track. So we can drag over any instrument that we want. I will be appropriately using a grand piano. So if everything is going to plan, then all that's left is to press this little button over here, make sure it's red. This is to ensure that your recording ability is on. And if you play keys on the keyboard, you should be able to hear you're playing. And in regards to MIDI data, note that regardless if it's USB or MIDI, as you play, you are not transferring audio data, but rather MIDI data, which is only data telling you the longevity of the note, as well as the note itself and the velocity. So know that you are not actually playing your electronic device's presets into the computer, but rather you are just telling the computer what notes to play, and the computer is deciding the instrument. And for example, just as I did, I chose a grand piano. So at this point, the only thing left to do is to press any of these little circle buttons. I am in session view as opposed to arrangement view. But the process is generally the same. Here you're going to press the little red button, or the little circle, and as soon as you do that, you will generate a clip in session view, and it will be, as seen here, red, meaning it is recording live. So if you are to press Shift Tab, you can see the live recording. Obviously nothing there because I'm not playing anything. So if you do play, you can see the velocity and the longevity of every note you do play. There you go, just like that. So you just press spacebar, press stop, or whatever, and now you have a clip filled with the MIDI data that you have played live. So if you can play from right here, then you'll hear those notes that I did play. And there you have it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.